Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure everybody has seen some form of a natural beauty trend like rubbing mayonnaise in your hair to make it grow really fast or putting egg all over your face to improve your skin tone, basically making it look like you fell face first into your refrigerator. These trends are great because you can find things right in your kitchen to make you look so much better before you have to see your ex-boyfriend at your friend Becky's wedding. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the secret to how these remedies were created so the next time you wake up with an imperfection, you can just fix it right at home rather than shelling out a bunch of money at Sephora for some product that was created by an actual team of scientists. The first thing you're going to want to do when creating an at-home remedy is put a blindfold on. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is just, stumble around the kitchen like your alcoholic father used to do when you were a kid. Now, the first edible thing you grab, that's going to be the base of your concoction. Oh, looks like I got salsa. Perfect. Next, to determine where you want to apply this, you're just going to pick a body part that you've been feeling a little insecure about. For me, it was my face. So now you're just going to want to gently massage this all over your face. Really press it in. Now that you have your all-natural beauty remedy set, you're going to want to post a picture of yourself to social media because doing an all-natural beauty trend is like going vegan. It only works if you tell everyone about it. But before you can go posting photos of yourself on social media with possible literal egg on your face, you're going to want to prove to your followers why you're doing what you're doing. But don't worry, it's simple. All you have to do is look up the health benefits of whatever beauty remedy that you're using and claim that the benefits you get from eating it are somehow the same as when you apply it to your skin. It's a good dose of vitamin C. I once read that vitamin C is really good for your skin. This must be exactly what they meant when they were saying that. And sure, you might be thinking this salsa couldn't possibly be doing anything for me. And you might be right, but guess what? I've got a million other things in this kitchen that I can still rub on my face that might work or might burn my skin off. We won't know until we try. As Thomas Edison once said, I haven't failed. I've just tried 10,000 things that won't work. Which I'm pretty sure this is what he was talking about.